Type 2 diabetes is a chronic progressive disease. Dr. Greg Dennis here with you on this myth busting Monday. And this is one of the most frustrating myths out there because the truth is, most cases of type 2 diabetes can be completely reversed. Traditional medicine misses the forest from the trees because they focus on blood sugar alone and they keep putting you on more and more medicine just trying to get more normal blood sugars. I love Dr. Ben Bickman, who's a metabolic researcher out of BYU. He quotes that these people will go to the grave with great glycemic control, meaning good blood sugar, because we've missed the problem, which is insulin. If we treat the root cause, which is the insulin resistance, which we absolutely can by certain lifestyle interventions, we can erase the problem and thereby treating the diabetes. So if your doctor does not acknowledge that type 2 diabetes can be reversed, now you may not want to put the work in, but if your doctor does not acknowledge that there is a better way that can actually reverse the disease instead of just continually being placed on medication, you really need to find a new doctor. I'm just going to be bold and say it. So anyways, if you know somebody with type 2 diabetes and they need to hear this, send it to them. I'm Dr. Greg. Keep following me for more health tips.